Assalamu alaikum and a very beautiful good afternoon to all of you.
Walaikum Assalam and good afternoon.
Myself Isma Khan. I hail from Karamdi. I am a student. I study in 7th class. I am 14 years old. If I talk about my family, there are 6 members in my family, father, mother and 4 siblings including me. If I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are playing kho and reading book. If I talk about my favorite food, so my favorite food is pizza and I wanna become teacher because it is a respect job in society. Thank you so much.
Hello friends.
Hello.
Myself Radia Khan. I am from Karamdi. I am a student. I am 11 years old. I am learning English from ECL. If I talk about my family members, so there are 7 members in my family, father, mother and 5 siblings except me. If I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are playing badminton and reading books, and my favorite food is pizza and my favorite game is Ludo. I want to become a successful teacher. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum and a very beautiful good evening to all of you. My name is Gulafsa Khan. I am from Karamdi. I am learning English from ECL. There are 8 members in my family, father, mother, 6 siblings including me. My favorite game is Ludo. My favorite food is pizza. I want to become a teacher. Thank you so much.
And a very beautiful good evening to all of you. My name is Sugra Khan. My father name is Mukhtar Ahmed. I am from Karamdi. I am learning English from ECL. My mother is a housewife. I have 1 elder brother and 3 elder sisters. My hobby is listening to music and painting also. And my favorite game is hide and seek. I want to become a teacher. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Hello friend. Hello. My name is Mohd Zakwan. I am from Karamdi. I am learning English from ECL. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite game is Ludo. My hobbies are listen to music. My ambition is to become doctor. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum and a very beautiful good evening to all of you. I am Subhana Khan. I am from Bogirot and I am a student and I am studying in 6th class from New Indian Inter College. And if I talk about my family, so there are 3 members in my family, father, mother and me. And my hobbies are playing badminton and my favorite dish is pizza and I wanna become IS officer because it's my parents' dream. Thank you so much and that's all about me.
Good evening, respected sir and my old friend. Good evening. My name is Preeti Soni. I hail from Karamdi. I am a student. I have completed 10th class. Recently, I am in 11th class. If I talk my family members, so there are 7 members in my family, father, mother and 5 siblings including me. If I talk about my hobbies are playing Ludo and reading book. Thank you so much.
And a very beautiful good afternoon to all of you. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mohammad Sufyan. I am basically from Uttar Pradesh, but I am currently staying in Baggi Road. I am a nuclear family, father, mother and 4 siblings. If I talk about my qualification, so I have completed 6th class. Currently, I am pursuing in 7th class. If I talk about my ambition, so my short-term goal is to getting a job in reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career and help anyone. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are reading, playing and listening also. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Sahil Khan, I am from Karamdi. I am learning English from ECL. My father name is Mr. Naeem Khan. My mother name is Mrs. Anisa Banu. My school name is New Indian College, Sondosa Gonda. And my ambition is to become doctor. And My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music and reading books. And my favorite dish is pizza. And my favorite game is Free Fire. Thank you so much.
Myself, Mohd Nabil Khan. I am from Karamdi. I am learning English from ECL. My father name is Zakwan Khan and my mother name is Jainab Khatun. There are 6 members in my family, father, mother, 4 siblings and including me. My favorite dish is pizza and my favorite game is Free Fire and cricket, and my ambition is to become teacher. Thank you so much.
Very beautiful good evening to all of you. Myself, Masood Khan. I am from Karamdi. I have completed 6th class recently. I have 7th class. My father name is Naim Khan. My mother name is Hasina Bano. My hobbies are playing and reading and listening. And my school name is Madrasa Islami Madinatul Ulum, Baghi Road. And
Myself Imran Ali and I am from Karamdi, and my favorite food is chicken and my favorite game is cricket and football. And there, if I talk about my family members, so there are 4 members in my family: father, mother, and 2 siblings. And I am learning English from ECL, and my school name is New India Inter College, Sonwarsa Gonda. And thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum and a very beautiful good afternoon to all of you. My name is Ankit Gupta. I belong to Lawal Doria. I have completed 5th class. Now I am pursuing 6th class. My father name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite game is cricket. My hobby is reading. There are 6 members in my family: mother, father, and 4 siblings. Thank you so much.